Happy February, y'all. It's getting really close to Valentine's Day, so I wanted to make a super cute dessert for you guys to try. Also, do you know what single people refer to Valentine's Day as? Independence Day. The dessert that we're going to be making today is going to be a berry dazzle pie. So let's go ahead and get started. For today's recipe, we're going to need a pre-made pie crust, water, raspberry jello, seedless raspberry jam, sour cream, Cool Whip, almond bark, and raspberries and chocolate hearts to garnish. I love my apron. It's another apron from Walmart. They have had so many cute aprons this year. Maybe they had aprons in the past and I didn't really realize it because I wasn't doing a cute apron cooking show, but I'm loving them. I love how it has the silky ruffle at the top. That's super adorable. So Walmart is carrying these super cute spatulas for Valentine's Day, and Hannah bought me one. If you're not a fan of raspberries and you prefer strawberries, this recipe can be changed so easy. You would just use the fresh strawberries and then the strawberry jello, and you would get seedless strawberry jelly or jam. I went ahead and pre-baked my pie crust, and after it was completely cooled, I did a thin trim around the edge of the pie crust with the melted chocolate. For the filling, we're going to start off by boiling a cup of water. Once that comes to boil, we're going to add the jello, stir that for 2 minutes, add the raspberry jam, mix that. You'll set that aside until it starts to gel up. After it sets up, you'll whisk in 8 ounces of sour cream and fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Once you have the sour cream and the Cool Whip added, you can put it in your cooled pie shell and set it in the refrigerator for 3 hours to overnight until it's nice and set, and then you can bring it out and work on the garnishing. I'm not really great with doing the chocolate motifs by hand, so I actually printed off a template to use, and I lined this with parchment paper, took a little bit of the melted almond bark, and just traced these hearts out, and you get perfect looking hearts for your garnish. The recipe is going to call for 16 ounces of Cool Whip. You're going to use 8 ounces for the recipe, and the remainder is going to be used to pipe rosettes on the top of your pie. So I let the pie chill overnight, and now we're ready to decorate it. I left my pastry bags at the school, so I'm using a Ziploc bag. But it works. Just in case you don't have a pastry bag either, you can use a Ziploc bag. Did this not turn out beautiful? I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm actually not cutting into it or tasting it right now. I'm going to take it to lunch tomorrow so some of the other students can enjoy it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye.